Hi everyone. Week 1, day 5. All elements in two BSTs. So we're given two BSTs, root 1 and root 2. We need to return a list of all the numbers in ascending order from both these BSTs. So the way I thought of this was, let's just divide it into two problems. Returning the ascending order list of one BST and then merging two ascending order lists. Very straightforward, okay? So let me just delete that, what I've already written. Okay, great. Now let's make two vectors L1 and L2 for both the lists, and let's do in order. Let's store the in order traversal of a BST is always the BST in sorted order 1 2 4 0 1 3. Okay, these two lists are given and then we merge them into this list. So in order root 1 into list 1 and root 2 into list 2, root 2 into list 2. Great. So always assume that you have some function. Okay, you can write it later. Now I've gotten list 1 and list 2. I'll make one more, call it list. And merging two lists is basically both are already in ascending order. Okay, so let me just write some example here. 1 2 3 4, and over here I have 3 4 5 6. Both are in ascending order. So how do I merge them? Simple. Take the smaller element from both of them. Okay, like keep two pointers. Okay, one pointing to the beginning of list 1, one pointing to the beginning of list 2, and keep taking the smaller element. 1 and 3, who's smaller? 1. Great, you took 1. 2 and 3, who's smaller? 2. Great, you took 2. This is merge sort, right? 3 and 3, any of the 3s you can take. Let's assume less than, and the other one is again 3 and 4, take 1 3. 4 and 4, take 1 4. 4 and 5, take the 4. Now if any elements are left in any of the lists, just take all of them, right, since the other list is empty. And that's how you merge two lists. Okay, so let's get started. I'll have my int L1 and L2, both the pointers to the beginning of both lists, while L1 less than list1 dot size and L2 less than list2 dot size. So while both of them have elements, pick the smaller element. That's it. If list1 L1 smaller than list2 L2. So if the first element of list1 is smaller, pick the first element of list1. How do I do that? List dot emplace ACK list1 L1. Great. I've put him in the list. Now you might notice after putting him in the list, I need to move the starting pointer of the list 1, right? When I had 1 2 3 and 2 4 5, when I chose 1, I removed it from the original list, right? So L1 plus plus. Move forward. Basically, the pointer of the beginning of the list is now pointing at 2. Great. Similarly, in the other case, we are taking the element from, correct, L2. Take the element at L2. Now, to optimize this, okay, we could use a in-place merge, something like increase the size of list 1 to list 1 plus list 2 size, and then keep taking the bigger element and inserting it at the end. But I am using this since the big O is kind of same. Return list. Now what about in order? Again, in order also we can do it in a better time complexity, but since any case I'm storing the entire list, so I'm going to do it in recursive complexity, right? Which means big O of height to generate the vector. So void in order root, so 3 node star root and vector int and list. Very important to put this and, since I'm going to keep adding the answer to list. Firstly, if no root, so if root is null, just return. Otherwise, let's do the in order traversal. In order to traverse a list, left, root, right. Root left. Also remember, we have to pass the list where it will store the answers. Now visit the root. How to visit the root? Simply insert your root into the list and then visit the right. Great. So it was just two problems merged into one. That's how we solve this problem. One second, too few, correct. I forgot to write list. And my example, I forgot to comment it. Okay, one small problem. The 4 got lost. Remember I told you that, let's say this list is over. Now if elements are left over here, so now you'll understand why we need 2 more while loops. If I just wrote them, you would not understand it. Now 4 and 5 is left over here, right? So how do I remember to take these? Simple. If some elements are left, okay, in list 1, then just take those elements, okay. That's it, because the elements are only in list 1, since it's come out of the while loop that both lists have elements remaining. Similarly, if elements were left in list 2, okay, just take those elements. That's it. That's how we solve this. That's merge sort, and that's the reason these 2 while loops come below. Okay, now that's it for this video. See you guys throughout the September challenge. Thanks for watching.